the walk won't be a problem. I can see sometimes a step, but that's just tenseness and stuff. I bet you that'll go away.
Okay.
It's not something I would be scared of, at least.
Okay.
Yeah. Try to sit down.
Yeah, she needs to do sit.
Yeah, sit.
Sit.
Yeah, then you sit nice up, stretched upper body. Yeah. Come, now come right a little bit. Give a little gas once. Good, bending right. Slightly play in on the right. Ah, now we get technical also.
Yeah, that's all
Good.
right.
No, that's good.
She's good.
She's good that way.
Yeah.
Especially from you.
Yeah. Come, come. Good.
Yeah, that looks
Hey,
good.
that's a good trot. Yeah. Doesn't matter, doesn't matter. Sit again. All this trot rising.
Yeah, no, she's not one to like.
Good. Sit up. Hello. Sitting. Make a 20-meter circle. Yeah. So, are you squeezing with your legs? Yeah, you shouldn't.
Sit.
Try to sit up and see if you can sit without squeezing. Let your legs hang down. Think in your mind you have no stirrups on. Make another circle. And push him a little bit in sitting. Yeah. And you think that you have a $20 bill underneath your butt. And you better sit down and keep it, otherwise I'll take it.
Yeah.
Sit. Loose legs. You're doing super good. Good. Sit. 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 Yeah. Sit. Super.
Sitting
Wow.
better already.
Sit. Hello. Up in your upper body. Sit. Elbows in. Up. Stretch yourself up. You hold yourself right in your middle. Ah.
That looks cool.
Come on.
The mare
Catch
goes
your
better.
ship there,
Tori.
up there, like that. And now you change rein. Change rein. Come on, to the bit. Hands together. Doesn't matter at all. You just keep sitting. Come now, sit. Sit up. Come. There. That looks super. Come, give a little gas. Hands together. Sit. Ah, the mare doesn't know it, maybe that's the push, but come.
Yeah,
Come. Hand, oh, excuse me. Hands together. Up and sit.
You're doing it.
Ah, come on. What is with the trust rising, you? So, come. Make a circle again. You don't need to go straight always.
Yes, thank you.
Now we... There. Up in your middle. You're doing so good. Come, you sit. And then when it's hard to sit, you sit even more. You don't do this. Good. It's hard to sit for her. It's good. Yes.
But she needs this.
Very nice.
There.
Come on, push and sit. Yeah, yeah. Hands together. You're doing really good. The mare also don't know this maybe so much
Yeah,
to the bit.
she's
You know, so it's all good. Good. Come, 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 come. Yeah, sit. Doesn't matter. Keep playing. Sit. Keep going. Yeah. There.
Every so often, it's such a beautiful picture.
Yeah. But see, the mare actually have to learn to go to it like this, so she takes her around. That's
Right.
what you guys have to work on. There.
I'll work on it too.
Good. Good. Does the stomach muscles hurt yet? Yeah. Okay, good. Then we keep going a little longer. Come. There. Good. That's your working trot on a 4-year-old. Good.
That's beautiful.
Super.
Wow.
Okay, you can walk. Pat her.